This is how to skin and prepare tomatoes. Make a small nick in the base of the tomato skin with a sharp knife, and then just place them in a bowl. Pour in boiling water from the kettle. If they are large tomatoes, give them exactly 1 minute with a timer. The smaller ones will only take 30 seconds. After that, immediately transfer them to a bowl of cold water. Then when they're cool enough to handle, you'll find the skins will slip off really easily. Now, if you need to deseed them for a recipe, remove the stalk, slice each one in half, not through the stalk end, but round the middle. Then hold each half and squeeze gently, allowing the seeds to fall onto a plate. If there are any stray seeds, these can be removed with a teaspoon. Then the tomatoes are ready to be either sliced or chopped, like this.